into town in 2010, some of the wheels of justice will actually grind to a halt, at least temporarily. Jury trials will be canceled for weeks, postponed to allow police officers to concentrate on Olympic security issues instead of being tied up in court.
BC's courts are bracing for Olympic impact. The courts fear police from all over the province will be busy on Olympic security duty and unavailable to testify. And hotels will be jammed, so juries can't be sequestered. And the sheriffs who normally guard the courthouses will be seconded as well to the Olympics. The Supreme Court has sent lawyers a memorandum essentially saying no jury trials or criminal trials requiring cops between February 6th and March 1st, at least in the Lower Mainland.
We're paying for a justice system. We're paying for judges to be, deliberating over cases. We're paying for police officers to be attending court. We're paying for sheriffs to be attending court. We're paying to see justice done. And for this 3-week period, it will be on holiday. And frankly, without a government having a plan on how they're going to address the results of that, something's missing and it's not right.
There is a very clear problem with.
We tried to contact Chief Justice Don Brenner of the Supreme Court, but he's away until Monday. And so far, for the provincial courts, there is no memo, but one's in the works.
What we will do in the provincial court is to operate what I would call a skeleton criminal process during the Olympics. There are things like bail hearings, for example, that deal with the liberty of citizens, and we need to continue with those. But we won't be scheduling criminal trials involving police witnesses during the Olympics.
Stansfield says all over BC, provincial courts will try to preload criminal cases in the months before the Olympics, clearing the calendar, and they'll run civil and family court matters while the games are on.
Communities are paying for a level of service, and the question is, are they going to continue to get that same level of service that they're paying for, or are they going to see a reduction? On all these costs, they are Olympic costs.
He can't speak for policing costs, but the provincial chief judge says the Olympics shouldn't be a financial burden for his courts.
You don't see reasons for it to do so, John, because it's really just a realigning of existing caseloads.
And traffic court, which relies heavily on police witnesses, will close down for February 2010. It will take an Olympic holiday.